Quick question. How did you maintain that consistency throughout the year without burning out?
It's just all about your renewal and what you do. Like, what is it you do to decompress? So I was running in the morning and going to the gym and hitting the sauna in the evening. And I would structure up my time. 8:30 on the telephones, hour break, hour break, hour break, hour break. Like, I'd be getting 60 dials before I had lunch. And then I'm like, cool, awesome. I only need to do another 40 dials for the next 6 hours. And then do emails and props and da-da-da-da. But like the burnout thing, it's like, the why for me, I was on death ground. It's like, this has to work, otherwise I'm fucked. So it's like, that is like, you will find a way. Do you know what I mean? So it just comes down to having the why so big that the how becomes easy. For me, it was like, the how was so easy to make 150 cold calls, as opposed to the adverse if I didn't do that, what the outcome would be like. So that's why, I say for you guys is to get clear. The reason that we're doing this whole exercise is to get clear on where you want to go and why. Because you're going to have those weeks where you feel like shit, or you don't feel like calling, or you don't feel like getting punched in the face. But then it's like, well, if you're here and you're doing it, like, you better do it.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you click the like button and subscribe. We're dropping a video on YouTube every other day. And if you've got any questions about any of the content that I covered in this video, just basically leave a comment with hashtag #HeySabri in the comment section. And every week we're also trying to go through all those questions and get them answered. So go ahead, click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.